Mastering ISF Compliance, Social and Environmental Tips. Welcome back to our Customs Brokerage video series. In today's episode, we will be exploring the topic of ISF compliance and how it aligns with social and environmental regulations. As global trade continues to evolve, it becomes imperative for importers and customs brokers to stay up to date with the ever-changing landscape of trade regulations. To provide some context, the Importer Security Filing, commonly known as ISF, is a regulation implemented by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) to enhance cargo security and strengthen overall supply chain transparency. As an importer, it is your responsibility to ensure that accurate and timely information is filed through the ISF process. One vital aspect of ISF compliance is the requirement for importers to obtain a customs bond. A customs bond is a financial guarantee that ensures the payment of duties, taxes, and fees associated with importing goods into the United States. It acts as a safety net for the CBP, protecting them in case of any non-compliance or violation of customs regulations. When it comes to aligning ISF compliance with social and environmental regulations, there are several key factors to consider. Firstly, importers and customs brokers must be aware of any specific regulations or restrictions related to certain products or industries. For example, the import of certain chemicals or hazardous materials may require additional permits or compliance with environmental standards. Secondly, it is crucial to have a deep understanding of the international trade agreements and treaties that may impact the importation of goods. These agreements often focus on social or environmental aspects, such as fair trade practices or restrictions on products made using child labor. By staying informed about these regulations, importers can ensure that their supply chains are ethical and compliant. Another factor to consider is the importance of accurate documentation. The ISF filing requires detailed information about the imported goods, such as product descriptions, manufacturer details, and the country of origin. Providing precise and complete documentation not only ensures compliance but also facilitates smoother customs clearance processes, reducing the risk of delays or penalties. Additionally, it is essential for customs brokers and importers to establish strong partnerships with stakeholders throughout the supply chain. Collaborating with suppliers, manufacturers, and transportation providers who prioritize social and environmental responsibility can contribute to a more sustainable and compliant trade ecosystem. Lastly, technology can play a crucial role in simplifying and streamlining ISF compliance. Customs brokerage firms and importers can leverage digital platforms and software solutions to manage documentation, track shipments, and enhance communication with customs authorities. This not only saves time and resources but also improves data accuracy, reducing the risk of non-compliance. In conclusion, the alignment of ISF compliance with social and environmental regulations is of utmost importance in today's global trade landscape. Importers and customs brokers must stay informed about evolving regulations, obtain customs bonds, adhere to specific industry restrictions, and maintain accurate documentation. By doing so, we can ensure a sustainable and responsible trade environment. Thank you for watching this episode of our Customs Brokerage video series. We hope you found this deep dive into ISF compliance and its alignment with social and environmental regulations insightful. Make sure to stay tuned for future videos where we'll delve into more topics related to customs brokerage, customs bonds, and international trade. Disclaimer note below. See you next time.